potential for India to exit the BRICS bloc has indeed been a subject of speculation and discussion, reflecting tensions within the group and India's evolving geopolitical strategy. BRICS, consisting of Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa, was initially formed with the goal of fostering cooperation and collaboration among emerging economies. However, as the global geopolitical landscape evolves, each member nation's priorities and alliances may shift. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. The expansion of BRICS to include six more nations, including heavyweight voices like Saudi Arabia and the UAE, at the 2023 summit indeed seemed to signal a significant milestone for the bloc. However, beneath this surface level growth, underlying tensions and fault lines persisted, particularly concerning India's role and rapport within the group. India's position within BRICS has been a subject of scrutiny and debate, reflecting its complex relationships with other member nations and its evolving strategic priorities. India's supported drift away from BRICS and warming up to the West could signal a strategic realignment driven by several factors. One significant factor could be India's desire to strengthen its ties with Western nations, particularly the United States, in pursuit of economic opportunities, technology partnerships, and security cooperation. India's growing concerns over China's assertive behavior in the Indo Pacific region could also influence its strategic calculations and lead to a recalibration of its relationships within BRICS. This financial tangle was further complicated by India's decision to purchase oil from the United States, a move reported by Bloomberg. Considering BRICS' often anti Western stance, these developments didn't exactly elicit cheers from the other members. Here we see the crux of the problem. India's balancing act between the traditional BRICS partners and its Western engagements, a maneuver fraught with geopolitical implications. As India trades this complex geopolitical and economic landscape, the question of its alliance with BRICS versus a pivot towards the West remains pertinent. The balance between sustaining growth, managing international relations, and navigating internal economic policies underscores the multifaceted challenges the nation faces on this global stage. Let's look into today's headlines. Samsung releases AI enabled household products worldwide. Samsung Electronics made synchronized consumer experience their promise while introducing their newest AI powered home appliances worldwide. Vice Chairman Hang Zhonghee emphasized simultaneously launches globally while showcasing the appliance's sophisticated capabilities. Products featuring interactive screens and smart things connectivity include refrigerators, vacuum cleaners, and washer dryer combinations. Savix and Okta collaborate to hasten digital identification adoption in India. Savix Technologies and Okta, an independent supplier of cloud based digital identification solutions, have partnered. Through its network of channel partners, Savix will promote, market, and provide support for the whole line of Okta identity and access management solutions. The news of the corporation comes after Okta opened its Global Innovation Center and office in Bangalore last year. Top X users can get free blue check marks. Musk promised last week that those with more than 2,500 verified followers will be the first to receive free blue verification check marks. A number of people have reported that their profile now has blue check marks again this week. When the blue tick returned to their profile, a number of individuals became confused. Usually, users must pay for Access Premium monthly subscription to receive a blue badge. Additionally, the company notified some people of the change. When Musk assumed control of X in 2022, all blue check marks were eliminated. Baidu's requests abbreviation in the midst of an investor disagreement. In order to pursue arbitration for its ongoing conflict with investors, Byju's has submitted an application to the National Company Law Tribunal. The edtech company filed for arbitration in order to resolve disputes pertaining to a $200 million rights dispute. The NCLT ordered official responses from both sides, despite Byju's denial of the investors' accusations. The next hearing is set for April 23rd. Home robots are being considered by Apple as its next major product line. According to a recent source, Apple is currently investigating a move into household robotics, which may end up being the company's next big thing following the Vision Pro headset. The company's AI and machine learning team and hardware engineering division are allegedly collaborating on the prospective new device. Apple engineers are thinking of creating a mobile robot that can follow users around the house and an innovative tabletop device with a movable screen. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.